Hey everybody, I just got my birthday gift from my daughter, Prime, and I'm going to unbox it. So typically, my daughter will get me shoes for my birthday, for Christmas. I always ask for shoes. But this year, I asked her for something different. Let's see what we got here. Oh, Ancestry DNA. For about 5 years, I've been thinking about taking one of these, and I just never did it. So I'm gonna take the test, send it in, and we're gonna see what's up. It says Ancestry DNA activation kit. Little box, got some activate your kit, collect your saliva, mail your sample, and explore the results. Let's see how hard this can be. Rip the plastic, straight up out the wrapper, rip it out the wrapper, acting brand new. All right, so now here's the kit. Really want my phone to catch the desk so you can see it. As I open it up, the reveal has like a little QR code on the box. I mean, not QR code, but serial number from China. Country of origin, China. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be great. Open this up. Welcome to a whole new world of personal discoveries. You probably know some of your family history, but what you can learn from your DNA can make a profound impact on how you see yourself. Thanks for choosing us to learn more about the story of you. That's what it says, and here's the kit. I really don't do instructions that well. I just usually do stuff, but it's telling me activate it, show you what to do. Sort of like a COVID test, it looks like. Activate your kit on the phone, download the app, spit in the tube. That's all you do. Do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum 30 minutes before giving your saliva sample. But that rules me out of doing it right now because I just ate. I'm on lunch break, so I gotta wait. Gotta wait a little bit. But let's go over it though. I can do some other parts. So it says first spit in the tube, fill the tube with saliva to the black wavy line. Then replace the funnel cap. Where's this tube at? This is the tube right here. Upside down, Ancestry DNA. This is the tube that you got filled with saliva. I'm not gonna open it yet, but there's the black wavy line right there. We fill it with saliva. So it says, fill the tube with saliva, not including bubbles. Is at just above the wavy line. It says, do not overfill. Then replace the funnel with the cap. So after we're done, we take the funnel off with the cap on it. Tighten to release the stabilizing fluid. You know it works when the blue solution from the cap is emptied into the tube. Shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. This will ensure that the sample mixes thoroughly and with the stabilizing solution so our lab can best process your sample. Then place the tube in a collection bag, which is right here. Place the tube in this collection bag. Place the sample inside the collection bag provided in your DNA kit. Seal the bag with the adhesive strip. Then mail your sample in the prepaid mailing box. Seal the box with adhesive. And keep this card. It says keep this card right here until the results arrive. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate this thing real quick. Comes with a box for you to send it back in. Can't activate it because I'm using my phone to record. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead. I have to wait a minute because I just ate. So I'm gonna wait a minute. I'm gonna activate the kit. Then once I activate it, I'll get back on here in about 25 more minutes and record myself taking a sample, ship it out, and we're gonna see what happened. This is interesting though, because I've always wanted this. My wife and I, we talked about it. I think Charlemagne the God, he was the one that even sparked my interest. He did his on like African DNA or something, but just want to see what my makeup is. It's always been interesting. What I believe that I have German in me. All right. So my first name is Thurston. My last name is White. We know that White had to be some kind of big slave owner because there's a lot of black people with the last name White. So like Johnson, they had to be a big plantation owner here in Virginia. So I believe that my genetic makeup is going to come from one part of German descent and then some African descent. But we're going to see. My mom's light skinned with freckles. My father is dark skinned with, we both dark skinned, bald headed. My father darker than me. I'll put some pictures up here, but I'm going to let you go so I can register this. And I'll be back when it's time for me to do the test. Peace.